Now, you've probably seen lately a few Ryebuck products coming out from Mahindra, and it occurred to us here that we really weren't showing anyone anything of the process of how these products are developed. Now, essentially, it's a combination of a young engineer, of a bunch of mechanics with a whole heap of experience, and a certain old bloke who might have done the odd mile out in the bush at some stage. And this is a really good example, okay, because this hasn't even been fitted to a vehicle yet. It's been designed, it's been discussed, it's been meetinged over that many times it's not funny, and it's about to go on my truck for final road testing before an outback trip. Now, anyone looking at it would know straight away what it is. It's an engine bash plate, but unlike a conventional simple steel bash plate that just goes bang bang, you bolt it up, if you're lucky it's got a hole for the sump plug, this has taken into consideration everything that can go wrong in a serious off-roading scenario. So to begin with, it allows maximum ground clearance, allowing for the bash plate, that is, which means it's contoured like this. Now, the contours aren't just to give us maximum ground clearance, they also add to the integral strength. So anybody who understands eggshell theory will know that a few bends like this are going to give something a whole lot of inherent strength. Is that enough? No, it's not. So unlike most bash plates that can be punched up and bent and twisted and whatever, and yes, they do act as some form of protection, but eventually they give way, this one's been braced. So this is only 3mm steel. We don't want to weigh the vehicle down. We don't want the thing sinking just through the weight of a couple of components. So it's been strengthened in a minimalist way to give maximum strength. At the same time, you'll see some unconventional mounting points and design here. Well, first of all, just let me explain these wings. These actually give you diff protection. Okay, front diff protection on the Mahindra, and we've got another drain plug here so you can drain your diff at the same time. And the A-arm, the top of the control arm, fits just about neatly there, which means that when you're up, stuck on a tree stump or something like that, there's very little chance of it jamming in there. You've got every chance of sliding over the top. Now, someone who's slid over quite a few rocks in his time will tell you that stuff like that really counts when the going gets tough. And at the same time, up here, you can see these bolts, these mount onto the control arm bolts. So all we have to do to fit this is reverse the bolts, and then we've got enough stud hanging out here to drop through that hole. And at the same time, this is clever. See that little ledge there? That means one man can fit or remove, and that's the important bit for us bush mechanics, the bash plate, because all you got to do is sit it up where it's supposed to be, just there, knock the nuts off, slot it into position, do the nuts up, or the reverse if you're taking it off. At the same time, obviously we've allowed for sump drain, diff drain. There you go. So what happens next? It's been powder coated. This is just the prototype. It's the only one in existence. It'll go on my vehicle. I'll take it bush, I'll go silly, I'll do heaps of outback miles. I've got a few other products I'm still testing anyway. We'll do the whole lot. Then I'll take it out for a little bit of hard off-roading near home, and I'll go and do a couple of tracks that I know, can create damage, the sort of damage we need to justify the protection that's built into this plate, and we'll see what we wind up with. And then if we have to, we'll change it, we'll improve it. By the time it comes to production, just like the snorkel, just like the exhaust, it'll be the finest product you can buy. So you see, at the end of the day, we're not treating Mahindra like it's something you should just fit anything to. We are treating it as something that deserves the best. And do you know what? That's going to work.